Hello everyone, let me show you guys something cool. As you guys know, now that we have slots with the Bricks Builder for a while now, I mean many months. So now that we can create slottable components, let's say this is a stagger, okay, stagger section. What it will do is stagger the contents, so it can be anything. So let's say container. Inside that container we have like rich text and button. That's it. Let's keep it simple. Okay, let's make the text a little bit longer. Okay, and then we have these containers, and then let's have a little more space. Cool. Okay, and then we will have animations to this section, right? But if we add it inside this section only, we can't reuse it, right? We have to create components. I mean, we have multiple ways to do it, but for this case, for GSAP, it works best with the components, okay? So for now, let's do it just stagger. Okay, so let's make it 1. Let's make it scroll false when the page opens, and let's make it left fade in left. Okay, let's make it fade in left. If we check it, it will stagger one after another. That's what stagger do, by the way. Like if I remove the stagger, it will just fade in all of them, like all sections same time. Okay, so that's what stagger does. It is pretty simple to use it, and if depending on increasing or decreasing the number, it will become slower or faster. Let's make it slower, much faster. Boom. So it is not even visible. So it needs like a little bit something like that. Boom. Yeah, it feels natural. Okay, but again, we want to use this everywhere, right? For example, we may even have multiple staggers. So this can be stagger 0.06. And then let's move this out. Okay, let's make this as a component. So these are now GSAP component. Save it as a component. And only thing we need is just slot. We will add this slot here. And then, yeah, that's it. We don't need anything else because we want to use it emergently. Okay. So we want to use it however we want. We want to add other cards and stuff, other designs, images, whatever. And if we check, it works perfectly fine. Good thing is we can use this again and again and again for other stuff. For example, this time this could be just buttons. Let's check. Yeah, it works. It can be just images. Okay. I should select something. Cool, why not? Cover. And then, oops. I do that all the time because I love shortcuts. And boom, it works great. So if you guys want to implement GSAP sections that will be reused and on the other pages a lot, I mean, even it is going to be used just 2 times, okay? Still use this GSAP components method, okay? So this is the way to go. It just saves so much time, okay? And it's pretty clean as well. For example, if we check this image, so it is directly under the section. See? So there isn't even a container here. It's directly under the section. It doesn't add like extra HTML or anything. It is pretty clean, okay? Of course, like usually we want something like that. Like if we want to give like some background or something to the section. I mean, depending on the design, like all depends on the design. Maybe, for example, maybe we should make this as a container or a block, not a section. that would be more ideal for most cases. So always think like long term, so you can use the same GSAP as much as you can. So if you make it as a section, it will limit you a little bit, because usually you use the section to wrap the containers, right? And that's why you want to keep it as reusable as possible. So that's it. That's just what I wanted to show, and I didn't make the GSAP video for a while now, and this is a nice trick. Use it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.